Hello, welcome to our CS411 project called Cookingpapa. This is by group JANK. We have Joyce, Ardel, Nina, and Kamil. This is the demo. So first, this is our login page, and you can sign up if you don't have an account, but I do, so I will be logging into my account right here. And this is our front page. This is listing like the basic features of our application, and we have a nav bar right here. So let's go to pantry. Now in pantry, this is all the items that I have previously inserted into my pantry. I can add another ingredient. So for example, I want to add pancake, and while I'm writing, this search goes through everything we have in our database, all the ingredients that we have. So I'm going to choose Chinese pancake, and I'll insert one of those, 1 grams. I guess it would make sense if we do 100 grams. And let's say the purchase date and expiration date is that. I can add a new row as well. So I'll do pork shoulder, 2 grams. After inserting, it will tell us that we have successfully inserted. So if we go to pantry, we can see that I have Chinese pancake now and also pork shoulders right here. But I did previously have pork shoulders, so they added in those quantities. So if we click on our ingredient here, it will show the exact record in our database. So then we can choose to delete. And if we do that, now you see that there are no Chinese pancakes anymore. And then we also have the ability to update. So for example, we want to change the quantity of our brown sugar. Let's say 100 of those. Click update. And now if we go back to pantry, we see that brown sugar only has 100 grams. We also have this check expiry feature, which just tells you the items that have expired, and we can delete accordingly. So these are buttons. So let me just delete one of those. And now non-stick olive oil thing is gone. We can also choose the expiry in the next 20 days, and you see it displays all those ingredients. Okay, that's the end of pantry. Now we're going to go to explore page. In the explore page, this is basically a page where each user can browse through all of the recipes available in our database. So you see we have over 450 pages. We can also type them in. So for example, if you want something that has shrimp in it, these are all the recipes that contain the word shrimp. So let's click on one of them. If you click search, now we can see the whole recipe page. It has the name, the tags, total cooking time, ingredients, their directions, and the picture. And here we can favorite this if we choose that we like it, and we're redirected to our favorites pages. Now I have previously added these items, and we see that we have the newly favorited recipe. If I say no longer like 3 ingredient teriyaki chicken, if I delete it, it will disappear. This search bar is just a way for you to search everything in your favorites. So there are 4 items here, and we only have 4 items here. Okay, great. So the next feature is recipes for you. This takes quite a while because there's 2 algorithms that are working to find all the recipes that are based on your pantry and based on your preferences. So for the one up here, this carousel right here, it displays all the recipes that matches how many percent of your pantry. So for example, if we go to 50%, we click on this recipe. So you see there are 2 ingredients and we only have one of those. So that's why it's 50%. Okay, so if we go back and on the recipes based on your preferences, so this is based on what you favorited and what you disliked. So for example, I don't like ham, so I go to this page, I dislike it, and it displays that I successfully added it to my dislikes. If I go back to the recipes for you page, you should expect that ham and biscuit will be gone. And also everything else changes because it would probably remove everything that has ham and biscuits in it. So yeah, that is the end of our Cookingpapa application. If we log out, we can log back in to any other user. Thank you.